Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WsCube Tech English channel. So in this video we are going to talk that if you are creating content for the YouTube, if you are making videos and you want to add some music to it but you also don't want some copyright issue to that. So from where you can take that music, from where you can download the songs without copyright issue, or we can say from where you can download the royalty free music. So here I am going to introduce you to two platforms from which you can download the video without any copyright issue. First would be YouTube. In YouTube there is one great channel which provides free music to all the viewers and its name is Audio Library. So I'm gonna search it to the audio library and you'll see this channel. This channel provides some amazing music, some amazing sounds without any copyright issue, or we should say the royalty free music. Here are some ideas and here is their playlist also. You can choose a specific type of genre like pop music, bright music, aesthetic music, happy music. There are so many things. You can just download one of them. There are so many apps that let you download videos available on YouTube. You can also convert them to the audio, or you can directly download their audio by just clicking on it, clicking on the link and just putting in that particular app, right? So this would be our first platform from which you can download royalty free music. Other would be, there is great website that provides free music and that is bensound.com. Either you can just Google it or you can just okay, so this would be our website www.bensound.com. You will click it and you can select out of hundreds of sound. There are many sounds according to your genre, according to your mood, and there are so many sound that you can particularly use for your videos. Here you will just simply download it. There is free license with attribution and there is pro license also, right? If you choose the free license thing, then you don't have to give them credit, but if you use the free version, then you have to mention them wherever you are using that video, wherever you are putting that particular video where you have used this music, then you have to give them credit, like you have to write that the music credit goes to bensound.com. okay, otherwise it hardly matters, but make sure to buy pro if you don't want to give them credit. Okay, so the music has been downloaded. You can use it while editing your video and I hope you will find favorite track here. You will find your favorite track here for your videos, and I hope this video was useful for you. Hit the like button, and if there's any query or question, you can just comment down and just keep creating amazing content for the YouTube. Do subscribe to WsCube Tech. Thank you so much.